So I'm at Rathmore Station in Kerry at the level crossing. We got the wall on our left hand side, sweeping the cane left and right. We're going to be passing disability area parking shortly. Now the wall turns into an entrance now. The ticket machine is on the left hand side. We walk forward. There's an information panel, and this is the old footbridge. Now the old footbridge is now fenced off. It's a heritage bridge, and we've got 2 rows of tactile before it. Now if we do walk forward, we got the platform edge tactile, sweeping the cane left and right. But to find the lift, because there's no tactile walking surface indicator diverging from the platform edge to the lift or footbridge, I'm going to walk over towards the station building on the right hand side. So sweeping the cane left and right against the station building. Now this is a covered area, kind of a waiting area with timber seating, keep you safe, dry from the elements. So sweeping the cane left and right. We now have a plastic bin, and sweeping the cane left and right. Now that sound overhead that's the real-time screen, real-time passenger information. Now there's a tap rail on it, actually I can feel that with the cane, but on the real-time screen pole there's also passenger information. So there's an information button, 2 circles like a metal coins, and below that is the SOS emergency. Now there is braille on it, but there's no raised letters for info or SOS. So sweeping the cane left and right, following the seating, and we're nearly at the lift. And yeah, so that's the little exit here where bicycle parking is stored, and there's a map as well, and there's a circle on it, and there's raised letters, caps and small letters in English and Irish, and also in Braille. So that's a map just located beside the cycle parking stands. So go back into the station. The lift, which I thought was ahead of me, is actually on the right hand side. So sweeping the cane left and right. So while there is a lift call system here in Rathmore, it just rings out at the moment. So I just press the button under it to open the lift door. That should be commissioned shortly though. So sweeping the cane left and right. I'm in the lift now. We've got 2 buttons. One is a 0, which is a raised 0, and one is a 1. So I press 1 to go upstairs. So we're on platform 1, the station building. So press 1.
Doors closing. Berger, exit. Lift going up. Order exit. Level 1. Level ahead. Doors opening. Berger, exit.
So the lift had buttons 1 and 0. It doesn't have braille, but the numbers are raised. So sweeping the cane left and right. I'm exiting the lift. We've got 2 rows of 8-line tactile before the steps, and the railing, the handrail extends back to before the tactile, so that's for balance as you're walking towards the step. Now there is a directional arrow here. It's metal, it's raised, it's in raised letters but no braille on it. If I trail it with my finger, it's a P and an F and an F and M, I think it is. So M, so it's platform, short for platform 1. So that's raised metal signage, but no braille on that. So that's the stairs down to platform 1. So I sweep my cane left and right. Now this is the footbridge over the track, so it's all accessible now. It's mesh, so you can feel the air coming through. It is covered because I can hear the galvanized roof there. The only problem is there's no handrail when you're crossing the footbridge, and there can be air and rain and wind coming in, so really there should be a handrail going across this footbridge similar to Mallow. So sweeping the cane left and right, crossing the footbridge. Now there's 2 rows of 8-line tactile before the stairs, and again we have a directional arrow, and this time we have a raised 2, so that's for platform 2. The lift is obviously on the right hand side, so I walk towards it. Now normally you'd press the lift call button, but it doesn't seem to be operational, so it rings out when you press the button. So for the moment I'm just going to press the door open button below it. So entering the lift, same story again, 2 buttons, 0 and 1. So that's 0. That brings me down to platform 2. So I press that button. It's only raised numbers here, 0, 1, and doors open and close. No braille on the numbers. So I press 0.
Doors closing. Berkshire, Alexander.
There's a handrail on the left.
Going down. Audible Excelsius. Level 0. Level Anord. Doors opening. Berkshire exit.
So when I exit the lift here, we've got the wall. Now, unlike the opposite side, the lift here is facing the direction of travel. It's kind of parallel to the platform. So sweeping the cane left and right, there's another sheltered waiting area. I can hear it with the acoustics. There's seating here. Sit on that and you're protected from the elements here. That's the new waiting room, which I think is under the footbridge. It's just offset from the platform, or indented. So sweeping the cane left and right, just starting to drizzle here in Rathmore, and we have seating, and yeah, so we have a tap rail there and a little foot. Now that's a real-time passenger information screen. Now there is an information and SOS panel to go in here like the opposite side. It just isn't operational yet, but hopefully it will be shortly. So sweep the cane left and right. We've got 2 rows of 8-line tactile, and they indicate the start of the stairs. And similar to the top of the stairs, you've got a directional arrow, which is the PFM, but it also has 1. So this is actually platform 2 we're on here, but if you follow the stairs or the lift up and cross, you walk towards platform 2, which is the ticket office side of the platform. So sweep the cane left and right. That's kind of indented, that area, and we've got the platform edge tactile. So I'm sweeping the cane left and right against a I think it's a curb like a plinth, and there's a railing on top of it. So this is platform 2. This is the old footbridge, which is now out of service. So you've got the tactile before it. There's a railing before it. It's now out of service, but it'll be kept because it has a preservation order on it, or heritage order. So as you walk down here, that's where the platform slopes down to the level crossing. So if I was to do the reverse journey, sweeping the cane left and right at the platform edge, to find the lift, because there's no tactile walking surface indicator diverging from the platform edge to the lift and footbridge. And again, in stations it can be in any location, so hopefully they will put in tactile walking surface indicators divergent to the left in the not too distant future. But if I do walk to the lift for the minute, the left even, we've got the tactile that shows you the start of the stairs.